Hello there. In this video, we're going to see how this has all been put together into a case. I have done some temporary fixing to keep the board without shaking, and I've connected everything to the mains and lines. So let's see how all this works. It's really exciting to be able to come this far from the scratch, understanding how to operate sensors, boards, and relays separately, and understanding the code, and then putting everything together and finally coming to a point where you can put in a case and control the lights. So that's something. All right, let's do this. Now, if you see, this is the case I have for this. It's a transparent case because I want the light to be seen on detector. So I've just cased it. I have put some temporary pins and I've taped it wherever necessary. I have matched the wires in a way that they don't get disconnected. Now, if you see on this side, I have cut some holes, and one is for the relay. So you see that there are two devices connected. So these are the two bulbs which are connected to the wall. You see the wall is here as an extension cord. So all these are connected to the wall. This is the supply to the board. These two are the switches you're going to control. You have on the other side the power. The power I just showed you where it. Now this is the final moment when we have to see if all this works. Let's take a look. I have my BLYNK app already created. So you see that we have one dial and two switches. The dial is representing the light in the room, and the two switches can be used to control your two output devices. In this case, we have two bulbs. This is connected via Wi-Fi over the internet. So you must be seeing some numbers on the dial. Let's take a look what those numbers are. So currently it's 666, 662, and so on. I hope you can see that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some extra light, and what you're going to see is that those numbers are going to go up. Now it should be way over 700. Let's take a look. There you go. It's close to 730. Now obviously if I take off the lights back, you're going to see the numbers go down immediately. So that's how you can monitor the light intensity in the room. Okay, now the big question, are you able to control the devices? Let's click on the switch. So that's here. So that is device number 1. Let's turn off the device number 1. There you go. Let's turn on the device number 2. And let's turn off the device number 2. So there you go. You're able to control. Let's try again. Let's do both. Switch both of them on and then switch both of them off. Great. So it works. God's grace. And if you come this far, it's a wonderful achievement. Thank you.